Today I want to show you drilling a piece of wood with this old style single print hand drill available at 3dprojectsfortomorrow.com. It's made to work with the hex bits. So on the hex bit you have will work the hex bit. So first you just put the bit on. Now the first time you put these bits on it may be a little difficult, but it will go on, and you want it to fit snugly. You don't want it to fit loose anyway. Here I've already drilled some test holes, so I'm going to drill another hole just to show on video that it does work. As you can see, I was drilling a small hole here, and we'll use a larger bit now. And we'll drill a larger. As you can see, you can drill in wood just fine with this tool, and it's a single print. All you have to do is remove the support, and you're good to go. For this and more projects, check out 3dprojectsfortomorrow.com. Thank you.